In this video, we will show you how easy it is to assemble this model of chair. First step, we will need for chair legs an underframe, for nuts wrench. First, we take the legs and place them in the underframe. After doing the above, take the nuts and insert them with the nut wrench. Tighten the nut until it can no longer be tightened. And remove the nut wrench as shown in the video. Look like this. Second step, we will need the back of the chair for screws, Allen key, and for washers, and the legs we have assembled before. First, we place the washers on the screws. Then, at the bottom of the chair, we will see 4 holes where we have to attach the legs. And now, we will put the screws in their corresponding holes. Final result.